Alrighty, so let's jump in here. We're going to draw Palworld, right? We're going to go over it together. We're going to draw Chikipi together. Super easy. You're going to know how to draw this in 5 minutes. Let's go. So, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a line out over here. Kind of like a triangle, like the top of a triangle. And the bottom is going to be round, like so. So that's like the beak of Chikipi. Going to go over here on this side. But like, almost like the number 0 for the eye. And over here, let's say another 0. Going to go to the top. Curve straight down. Alrighty. Gonna go over here, curve right there. Over here, gonna leave a little gap at the top right there, and I'm gonna continue off this side. Curve around that corner, down. Out over here, down here. Curve around here, up. Out over here, down. So you got the wing on the side right there. See, it's like this extra layer. So let's go over here, the wing on the far side, by the way. If you're a big Palworld fan, by the way, hit the like. That's a huge, huge deal. Definitely hit the like if you're a Palworld fan. I want to do like every Palworld character, but just you got to let me know. Out over here, down, curve. Alrighty. So far, so good, right? We're doing good right now. Let's go over here, the feet. Out over here. Pull up. Curve. And line over here. Over here. Up. Out over here. And line over here. Cool, cool, cool. Line over here. Up. Down. And up over here, down. Here, down. Down, down. Right there. All right. And that's pretty much it. We're pretty much done with Chikipi. What I want you to do is I want you to push into the next video right here. We're going to do another video lesson together, okay? Stay with me. We're doing another video lesson together. Let's get started, and let's jump right into it right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.